Jeff Santos is wearing the white trunks with yellow trim. Itong si Edward Labana is wearing the black trunks.
Yung Labana may isang talo sa kanyang kartada, and like sinabi ng rating ring announcer, si Jeff Santos ay a pro debut sa araw na to.
Itong si Labana, partner, galing sa ELM boxing gym ng Malabon, ano? And ito naman si Jeff Santos is carrying a Team Jam Fitness Gym na from Lapu-Lapu, Cebu. Okay? Itong, sige. Yes, partner.
Nakikita natin si Jeffrey noon nung mga UKC, pero sa amateur edition ngayon it means nagprogreso na yung career niya. Hopefully magtuloy-tuloy to.
And we had a chat early on, ano? I found out na yun nga, he's still a flight attendant. And then kapag may fights siya, he's given the opportunity to train then and then take a leave from his profession to train for a fight. So what a good setup, ano, partner.
Good privilege.
Yes, definitely.
Hindi lahat ng tao ay may ganyang klaseng scenario sa buhay. He is very blessed na magawa niya ang dalawang ang bagay na malapit sa puso niya.
Definitely. And with that, you just saw a step back and jab from Jeff Santos. Edward Labana is leading with that jab, no? Trying to find an opening. Oh, that's a jab to the body in the hook by Edward Labana.
Maganda yung even though it was called as a punch at the back of the head. Maganda yung counter punching nung Labana dito sa initial kanto ng round number 1.
Yes, definitely, no. He always has that right hand, very active right, jabbing, ready to counter, very loose and relaxed.
Oh, what a punch by Jeffrey Santos.
That stunned Edward Labana.
Kakasabi lang natin, partner, na maganda ang countering ng Labana. Yun naman ang ginawa ni Jeff Santos. A nice counter right that sent Labana to the canvas.
Sabi nga nila, it's the punch that you don't see coming that usually puts you down, ano? And there you go, aggression from both. Yes, Carlos Cuadras said Santos has to let his hands go, and he did. As if hearing you from online, Sir Carlos, no? He really let those hands go. Wow, partner, first round pa lang, ano? First round, so much action already happening here in UKC New Breed. Let's look at the replay. There you have it, that huge right hand. Thank you so much to our viewers, Carlos Cuadras, Joshua De Leon, Royder Lloyd Bourbon, Sawadi Cup, and happy birthday. Thank you to our Thai friend watching us, RK Sikat, JJ Rebukan.
Wala pa si Royder sa likod natin?
Baka lumitaw na lang. I'm so happy to see him training in Elorde, Batangas ba? Tama ba?
Yes.
I'm not mistaken. DJ Boy Agravio, akala ko nandito ka, DJ Boy. Pero baka nagpe-prepare yan kasi I think may amateur fight yan. Ano. DJ Boy is also a friend of Jeff Santos. Sa mga friends din ni Edward Labana, comment na kayo sa comment section. Jedrick Dincol, shout out sa Jab Street Boxing.
Magaling yung Jeff Santos, no? Kung masasabi natin sa terminolohiyo ng magaling sumilip siya. Although hindi marami yung suntok niya, medyo accurate pag bumabato.
Yes, ano. Definitely. He's itong si Jeff ever since his amateur days is more like a boxer puncher,
yes,
no. Sometimes he can fight you on the outside. When he finds the opportunity on the inside, he is also ready to brawl with you. Mark Agdipa, shoutout daw kay Sherwin Lombres na lalaban mamaya.
It's a little bit later against Hong Ki Lam.
Yes.
Yan ang pangatlo bago mag-main event.
And this is what Jeff does sometimes, no? He lets Labana overreach either with a jab or with another shot, and then he counters, looping punch by Labana that touched the glove of Jeff Santos.
A very good size crowd here in the arguably one of the historical Elorde Grand Ballroom. Pag malapit kayo dito sa may Sukat Parañaque, I think you could watch it live and free. And mas maganda talaga manood ng live. Pero
Right.
pag medyo marami kayong ginagawa, you could stream this event live on Elorde TV.
Definitely. Thank you, John Bontes, #Recombination. Yes, tama kayo. Boxing is all about not letting your opponent impose his game. So right now, itong si Labana is trying to step on the gas pedal, using aggression against a slippery Jeff Santos.
Si John, yung kaninang binati mo, John Jul Hardy. Siya yung lagi nating kasama dati sa Bohol, sa Kumong Bulanon.
Thank you
he's
so
now,
much, sir.
He did migrate na sa Canada. Kamusta kayo dyan? And hopefully we could see each other again very soon.
For sure. Yes, our main event for today, Luis Borge versus Anferny Palarca for 8 rounds. A jab to the body and follow-up up top by Jeff Santos, partner. And then, there you have it. Good second round for both boxers.
Papasalamatan natin yung mga sponsors natin dito. Lightwater and Fairtex Philippines for helping this event. Kailangan natin ng mga sponsors for us to survive in this industry. Sabi nga, I see some good messages sa Facebook. Kailangan siguro once in a while magkaroon na rin yung konting yung pag pumasok ka, konting bayad ng konti. Siyempre para umikot yung para umikot yung industry. Hindi kasi pwedeng laging libre at ang lahat ng paboxing. Siguro once in a while, lalo na pag may mga big fights, hopefully magkaroon na tayo ng mga gate receipt kung tawagin.
And it started that way actually in history, yung mga tao, they really pay to get in boxing matches,
I think nowadays yung sa Bohol, partner, they're doing that. I think they are receiving a good paying patrons pag may mga paboxing sila, like on March 8 sa Kumong Bulanon 14 dyan sa Tagbilaran City, Bohol. Abangan nyo po kami dyan. The main event there is Verhel Vitor, who's fighting a Korean for the vacant WBO Oriental Super Featherweight Championship, partner.
Yes, partner. And there you go. Just a while ago, you saw Jeff Santos set up some triggers, parang tinaas niya yung paa niya just to distract si Edward Labana. So you see Jeff trying to set traps, fighting an intelligent game, but he was given a warning by our referee. Ito namang si Edward Labana, I think is gaining more success if he doesn't wait, if he's more aggressive, and he exerts more pressure. Kasi if he plays the timing game with Jeff Santos, mauunahan siya
And I think he must accelerate his punches on wrist round number 3. Quick update, bumaksak siya round number 1. So it automatically it's a 10-8 round nung round number 1 for Jeff Santos.
Definitely. And I think yun nga, if he leads with that straight, Jeff Santos sees his shoulder coming, so nakakaiwas siya. So what he can do is double up on those punches and come in with a combination. Yes, Warren Mosenabre, shout out. Shout out din kay King Baby Boy Almacen and sa
Please,
lahat mga nanonood.
please, lang natin yung mga excessive language po sa live broadcast at meron po tayong baka tayo po ay maano ng Facebook yung mga words wag naman po yung mga ganyang klaseng word.
There you go, final 30 seconds off of the bout. This is round 3.
This is schedule of 4-round fight, partner.
Nakikita mo, no, when you're watching a boxing match, you see not only the offense but yung depensa ng mga boxers natin. Mahalaga rin naman, because you see itong si Labana always using the shoulder. Nakikita mo. And then Jeff Santos naman is more of that shoulder roll or that Philly shell. Alex Apilado, shout out sa'yo dyan watching in Riyadh. Some of the other exciting fights we have today, Joji Pacamalan versus Melchor Roda, Wesley Kaga versus Jesse Dayuno also, and Roland Toyogon versus Ariel Antonio, Clarence Breboneria versus Mark Henry Esquebrer, Dan Dacles versus Michael Agustin. Isa yun sa mga iniintay na mga televiewers natin, yung rematch ng Dan Dacles against Michael Agustin. This is an welterweight division. Last and final round for this opening bout of UKC Breed. This is Alvin Escof, Real Fight PH, together with Rika Aquino Uy of Baby Dynamite Sports. Thank you, partner. Nako, yung favorite mong, isa sa mga favorite mong boxer nanonood, si Ranelio Quizo. Oo, dadalhin daw tayo sa Korea. Thank you naman siya. Ngayon pa lang. Salamat na. Oo, bumibili na ako ng mga thermal wear. So ano bang mangyayari dito sa 4th round, partner? What do we expect for Labana and for Santos to do here in round 4? Santos must only continue what he's doing from first round to third round, which is intelligent game, yes, no, partner? Yung Labana kailangan niya talaga mag-accelerate at gumawa ng paraan on this last and final round. Definitely. To probably salvage this fight on his favor. Kasi mahirap because it's hard to get inside the range of Jeff Santos kasi he's always at the edge of range, ready to counter. So minsan parang nag-hesitate din tong si Labana. But then again, there was a moment a while ago that he was aggressive, he was able to close the distance. Maybe something like that will be more in favor of Labana. But right now, Jeff Santos is the master of that range, yung long range na ganyan. Jab straight hook that landed for Jeff Santos. We could also say that Jeff Santos is beating Labana to the punch. He is more quicker. He is coming first lagi. Definitely. And with quick legs, he easily gets out of range. Hindi siya natatamaan ng mga counters masyado or as much. But then again, there are some success naman for Labana like that jab, Kaso naka-counter lang talaga siya ng mabilis. Batiin lang natin yung mga kababayan ng yung the other half, no? So yung sa Ginoong City, sabi ni Leron na Sotib daw sa laban ni Wesley Kaga tsaka ni Roland Toyogan, who is actually from Ginoong City also. Yes, definitely. Oh, huge shots. Final 30 seconds. A hook and, straight and a hook counter by Jeff Santos. There you have it. Straights landed by Labana. Yun, dapat when he gains the momentum, he shouldn't stop. Is it a case of a little bit too late for Labana? We'll see, partner. Yeah. 10 seconds, ano? And a decision awaiting these two up-and-coming boxers. Nako, napakahirap talaga maging referee partner. Ano? Minsan talagang nasa bingit ka rin ng kapahamakan.
May mga ganyang instances na sa international na tinamaan talaga yung referee ng solid punches because
For sure.
they are also the part of the part of the ring and part of the fight. So kailangan medyo alisto ka rin talaga.
Tama.
As a referee kasi hindi mo masabi accident happen
One of the hazards of the profession, ika nga, no?
Sabi ni Lady Justini Santos, muntik na yung referee.
Oo, hindi yung mga boxers, si ref po yun. What a good game for both boxers. Jeff Santos making his pro debut. Will it be a win under his belt? This flight attendant / pro boxer, sabi ko nga partner, multi-hyphenate na rin siya di ba?
Yes, oo.
Or will it be a win for Edward Labana?
Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 rounds of boxing, we go to the scorecards. Hilco scores about 40-35. General Basic scores about 40-35. Patricia Lorente finds it 40-35. All to the winner by unanimous decision, Jeff Santos.
There you have it, a unanimous decision win by Jeff Santos. Sa tabi niya is Commander Malik.
Congratulations sa lahat sa team ni Jeff Santos for successfully winning on their pro debut.
Mga kaibigan din natin yan.